Today we're working with press fit pistons. First time working with them. I already got one out. This is the second one that I'm working on right here. The first one is right here. Press them out. And if you don't got a press fit kit, you want to find a socket that will fit in there easily. Come back out. Because I used this one the first time, pressed the pin out, and then this one just got stuck in that way. Maybe I could have did it that way and I just pushed it through and then came right back out. I don't know. But there's this one. That one's longer though. I wonder if I can try it again without. Yeah, I better not. Let's see. Put this camera in. Do is take this socket, put it right here on the. I got a 12-ton hydraulic jack press. And we're just line this up right here and press it down. And push pause for a second and get this lined up. Alright, here we go. I got it all set up. I put that socket right there. Put that right there. Now this is all set up. I'll just start jacking. And just, yeah, there it goes. It's just slowly pushing it through. See, that socket is just going through there and pushing the wrist pin out. So it's sticking out from the bottom. You can already see it starting to come out right there. Pushing through. I'm replacing the pistons, so it doesn't really matter right here. I'll get new pistons and using the connecting rods. So that's why I'm pressing these out. Let's see. See, look right there. You can see it starting to come out right there. How far is this in there? Can't even tell. It's almost there. Both of these go through, fit through the connecting rod. There it goes. Boom. Wrist pin is out. Wrist pin number 2. There's the other one. Just keep these together, even though I'm not reusing them. I got new ones. Here it goes. Then you take this. Release. Yep. 12-ton hydraulic press. There's it. Just like that. Socket went right through. Push them out. Push the wrist pin out. See? That doesn't go through. It just sticks. That's the wrist pin. And I may make another video on placing the new ones. I got 4 more to do, so just gonna show you one though. Alright. Thanks.